Hello friends, welcome to another video. In today's video, we will talk about GBPJPY. We will do a top-down analysis on GBPJPY starting from the monthly time frame so that we have a long-term view of where the prices are going. Then we will move down to lower time frames, weekly, daily, 4-hour and intraday time frames. And we will talk about how we can identify setups on GBPJPY on intraday basis, how we can decide our stop loss and the target profits. We will talk about the price action, chart breakdown, technical analysis, and many more things. Although the analysis that we are going to use in this video on GBPJPY, on this pair, the same analysis can be used on any forex pairs, on the gold, silver, crypto, or like any stock in the forex or any stock in the stock market. So if you're interested, guys, stay tuned. So we are going to start with the monthly. On the monthly time frame, guys, as you can see, the price was in this area. As you can see, the price was making lower lows and lower highs, and we were trading under this 50 EMA, which is the red line. So the price was bearish here. Then we were able to break and close above this lower highs market structure, and also above the 50 EMA. Then as we can see, the price made a higher low. So let me show you from here. I mean, if we're starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we have the same high and same low, or you can say higher low. So as you can see, guys, right now the price is bullish on the monthly. Also, as you can see, we have started trading above the 50 EMA as well. So we are bullish. At the same time, guys, we can see that the price, this new monthly candle, has broken the high of the previous month. So we are bullish and we can expect a movement to the upside. Now, if we talk about the targets, for the targets, guys, we can see that on the left hand side, we can definitely target this area and this area and this area in the coming month, or maybe we can hit these higher targets in 2022. So that's it. We are bullish and we are looking to go for long trades. If we talk about the weekly, guys, on the weekly as well, guys, as you can see, the price has been very bullish. And if we see this particular area, this is an area of interest. As you can see, the price retested this area multiple times and found support every time. Also, there is one more thing, that the price, every time the price bounce of this area, we made a higher high. As you can see, the price made higher high, higher low. Then we made another higher high, higher low, or the same low, higher high. Next time the price bounced, we made another higher high and same low. So we might expect another higher high this time as well. Anyways, this was an area of interest. The price was very bullish, and also right now, as you can see, the price is trading above 50 EMA on weekly time frame. So we are very bullish on the weekly as well. So now let's talk about what is happening on the daily. Now on the daily, guys, as you can see, the price is very bullish as we are making higher highs and higher lows. So starting from here, we are making like a high, low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Then we made a high, and right now the price is retracing and retesting the higher low of this uptrend. So we know that the market is bullish on the daily as well. Also, the price is trading above the 50 EMA on the daily time frame. So we are bullish, guys. Now let's check what is happening on the 4-hour time frame. Now for the 4-hour time frame, guys, recently, as you can see, the price is making lower lows and lower highs. So starting from here, we have low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and we might look for potential lower high. So as we can see, the market is bearish on the 4-hour time frames. Also, we are trading below the 50 EMA. As you can see, before in this area, the price was trading above the 50 EMA. Now the price has broken below the 50 EMA. So we are bearish on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's check what is happening on the 1-hour time frame, guys. On the 1 hour as well, the price is very bearish. We have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and there might be a potential lower high to go short. So Also, as we can see, the price is making lower highs, and we are trading below the 50 EMA, so we are bearish on the 1 hour time frame, guys. So now one thing that we can talk about right now is monthly, weekly, and daily are bullish, but the 4 hour and the 1 hour are bearish. Now, guys, if for the short term, because we know that this is going to be a daily support, strong support, and anytime 1 hour and the 4 hour can turn bullish, and in accordance with the higher time frame, because all higher time frames are bullish. So if the 1 hour and 4 hour turn bullish, then all time frames will be in convergence, and we will have a very good like long trading opportunities, and where we can target these price points on the left hand side. So anyways, what we can look for in this market. So if we tell you guys right now, as we are looking for a lower high to look for short-term trades in this market. So as we can see, once the price broke below the support zone and price gave us a break and close below this, so I was expecting some kind of rejections in this area, which did not happen, and right now the price broke and closed above this area. So there might be a possibility the price directly. So what are the possibilities now? We will talk about the possibilities, what can happen right at the moment. So if the price keep on going higher, give us a break and close over this area, in that scenario, guys, we will break this lower low, lower high structure on the 4 hour, and at the same time we will break this lower low, lower high structure on the 4 hour as well. If we get a break and close above this area, also the price will start trading above 50 EMA on the 1 hour and the 4 hours. So if that happens and we get a break and close directly above this, then there is no problem, guys. We know monthly, weekly, daily is already full bullish, and 4 hour and 1 hour also turn bullish now. So in that scenario, we are going to wait for a retest of this zone, which is going to act as a support. Also, we will start trading above the 50 EMA, which is going to act as a support. So in that scenario, we can hit these targets on the left hand side and look for long trade. That's going to be one possibility. Another possibility is, as we know, the price has already broken close above this area, so we might find support in this area, or we might consolidate here for some time. By the time the price give us break and close above this EMA as well, and in that situation the price might continue higher again. We will break this resistance and to start trading above the 50 EMA. Also, that will be the breakout structure on the 1 hour and the 4 hour as well. So we will look for long trades in that scenario. Simple, guys. If the price gives us a break and close, we're going to look long. If that doesn't happen and the price do not retest that area and just try to find support here and continue higher, in that situation as well, there might be a possibility that the price give us opportunity like this in this area. So that's going to be the possibility number 2. The third possibility can be the price just continue higher, retest this area, and in that scenario, as we know, the 1 hour and the 4 hour is already bearish. So this area is going to act as a lower high area is going to act as a resistance. Also, we have this 50 EMA acting as a resistance, so we might look to go short in this area. We can take a partial profit or close our trade here, or we can take a partial profit here, and we can consider this as the next target. So in that scenario, guys, how we can look for trading opportunities? Suppose the price hit this area. So in this area, we are going to look for trading opportunities. Suppose we find entry here, short entry here. Our stop loss is going to be above the market structure, above the lower high of this downtrend. Because if the price gives us a break and close or this high, then our analysis is wrong, and the market is most likely to go to the upside because higher time frames are already bullish. So we are going to keep our stop loss just above this market structure. We will try to find some entry in this area, and then this one is going to be our initial target profit, because we know that the price might find support in this area and continue higher. And then this one is going to be our final target profit, because we know that the bulls came in historically in this area. So we can again expect the bulls to come in and move the price higher. So this is how we are going to take trade if we are presented an opportunity. So That's it, guys. This was the analysis on the GBPJPY on like intraday timeframes and how we can find the opportunities and how we can decide our stop loss and the target. One more thing, guys. Suppose here we talk about how we can look for the bullish price action. Suppose, guys, as you know, this is going to be the higher low. This is the higher low. This price point is the higher low of the daily uptrend. Suppose we get a break and close below, the price keep on going lower on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, making this lower low, low high structure. Suppose we are broken close below this area, then definitely we can look for some kind of retracement to this area and find, like, looking for some short options to go short. And then in that scenario, we can target these areas, as you can see on the left hand side. These are the areas, guys, where the bulls came in historically and moved the price higher. So if the price keep on going lower, again we expect the bulls to came in and move the price higher. So if we are looking for shorting opportunities, we will consider these areas, this area, this area, this area, this area as our target profits. So that's it, guys. Depending upon the direction that we are going, we can look left to find out the potential target profit in the market. So that's it, guys. Oh, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. See you in another video.